God, look! Oh my God, a whale! Wild.
Hi, we're the Lost Ones, just your average group of friends who travel together as often as we can afford while trying to cross things off our bucket list.
We started this vlog to capture our adventures, good times, and foodie moments to look back on when we grow old. We hope to inspire others, meet cool people, and try new foods along the way. This episode takes us to Honolulu, where we take a look at Oahu from above. Honestly, like behind the wheel of a Jeep with the top down in Hawaii, and you're just cruising. The feel is just, it's amazing.
We drove around a bit and you get to a point where it's like cliffside roads and you're just like hugging these curves. We went to the Halona blowhole and it's just so beautiful.
I got my first. Dude, that was a highlight. Maybe not for anybody else, but for me it was.
Nice. Did you do it back to him or what'd you do?
I waved. So we're about to embark on our excursion. Our first excursion at Rainbow Helicopters. Our one thing that we're gonna splurge on.
1 out of 2. Do I look like a tourist yet?
A tourist? You don't look like a tourist. Well, with the camera on the cell phone on the neck. Wow, you look cute.
Hey, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, look! Oh my God, a whale! And a baby!
It's actually really, really good.
to go back and order more. And as well as the sauce too. It's that fire.
Good morning. Today is our switch day, and we will be checking out of the hostel and returning our rental car, and then we will be picking up our camper van. And I'm pumped. I am so excited. It's unbelievable. I'm most excited for just getting that type of lifestyle out of the van. I've never done something like this. I mean, camping's different, but this is like tiny home camping living. So I'm super pumped about it. It's gonna be an adventure. I'm excited to drive it. I'm excited just to live in it. Like, boom seat, boom bed. We pack up, check out. We're gonna probably go get some food. We'll be on our way. I think it's like a 30-minute drive, so it'll be a nice scenic tour, which will be nice. Let's go.
All right.
I would recommend this place to anybody who's looking for a cheaper side of a place to stay. If they're anything like this, I would definitely highly recommend to the avid budget traveler. Right around the corner, you got a convenience store, and then you're literally like a 5 to 10 minute walk to the beach and then the entire downtown Waikiki area. Really awesome. I loved it. I thought it was really good. For now, see you later, Honolulu.